BMW F750, 850, 900GS heavy-duty skid plate installation guide. Let's begin by introducing the supplied parts and hardware. We have the skid plate, we have a rear bracket, and then we have two front brackets. This is the right side, and this one is the left side bracket. The supplied hardware, we have 7 M8 by 20 millimeter long tapered Allen bolts. And then we also have 2 M8 by 30 Allen bolts, 2 of them, and 2 M8 by 25s with washers, and an M10 by 45 millimeter long Allen bolt and a washer. The tools we're going to be using, we have a ratchet extension, 5 and 6 millimeter Allen sockets, but you can also use Allen keys if that's what you have, and then a T50 Torx to remove one of the OEM bolts. 8 millimeter socket, or again, you can replace it with an 8 millimeter Allen key. We also highly suggest that you put some medium strength blue thread locker on all the bolts. An important side note, in case you have our crash bars installed or about to install, please leave the structure loose and do not put this bolt in. Also, this bolt right here, you got to remove it with the T50 Torx, so it's going to come out completely. Okay, now we're going to put on the bracket. We're going to put it in place and just thread this bolt a couple of times like so. Other side. Okay, right side, grab the M8 by 25s. Turn that bolt a couple of times. Next one. Like so. Perfect. Now we're going to put the brackets in place. And then the right side bracket. Just another side note, if you also have the crash bars installed, you got to reuse this bolt because it's longer than the one we supply for the skid plate, because we're doubling the brackets here, okay? So for this, use the supplied crash bars bolt. If you don't have the crash bars, just the skid plate, just use the 8 by 30 supplied bolt with the skid plate. All right, now we're gonna mount the skid plate. The brackets are in place. All right, bottom 3 bolts are in as well. So now all the bolts are in place. And we're gonna go ahead and gradually tighten all of them one by one. All right, so when all the bolts are nice and snug, you can go ahead and apply the torque specs. The M8, 8mm diameter bolts, like these up here, on the side here, and back here, they take 23 Newton meters. The M10 bolt here takes 70 Newton meters. So should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email, info@outbackmotortek.com, or you can call toll free 877-931-3636. Thanks for watching.